Hello my dear friends, I am Irina Malykh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make such a beautiful tatting pattern. You may use this pattern separately or combine several squares, connect it together and make such beautiful lace fabric. To decorate a dress, or maybe it will be a doily, whatever you want. It's really very beautiful. In these squares I used polyester thread Irina Malykh size 40, but now, so that you can see better the process, I will use a little bit thicker thread Irina Malykh number 20, size 20. So let's get it started. First of all, we need to make this central part of the square. And let's prepare our shuttles. To make this pattern, we will also need some seed beads. So let's place it onto our shuttle. I will use such needle and place now some seed beads. Prepare your crochet hook. We are going to start from this trefoil. Now we are going to make our first ring. Let's start. Make first tatting double stitch, and now we need to hide our free end in the beginning of our work. Let's make another 2 tatting double stitches, hiding the free end under these stitches. Okay, now we may cut our free end, and now we need to make 6 tatting double stitches. So here, before our first joined picot, we will make 9 tatting double stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's make a small joined picot and 4 tatting double stitches. 4 tatting double stitches. Now decorative picot and 5 tatting double stitches. Remember that this stitch we have already counted, so we need now to make more 4 tatting double stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are making another small connection picot and 5 tatting double stitches, actually 4. So 1, 2, 3, 5. Now make a half of tatting double stitch to make this ring more accurate and delicate. And now close the ring. Okay, now we're making this ring. This ring contains 3 seed beads. So let's prepare them. Make 5 tatting double stitches as close to the previous ring as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's connect to the first ring using this tiny picot. Okay, now let's make 3 tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3 decorative picot, tatting double stitch, 1 tatting double stitch, another decorative picot, and 3 tatting double stitches, actually 2. 3 tatting double stitches. Now place seed beads here and make next tatting double stitch. We need now to make 3 tatting double stitches. So first one, 2 and 3 tatting double stitches. Now we are making decorative picot, 1 tatting double stitch, decorative picot, and 3 tatting double stitches, actually 2, 1, 2, 3, connective picot, and 5 tatting double stitches, or 5, half of tatting double stitch, and now close the ring and proceed with the next ring. 5 tatting double stitches as close to the previous ring as you can. 3, 4, 5 tatting double stitches connecting to the previous ring, and 5 tatting double stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decorative picot, 4 tatting double stitches, 2, 3, 4, small connective picot, and 9 tatting double stitches, actually 8, 1, 8, 9, half of tatting double stitch, and close the ring. Okay, now we have such a beautiful trefoil. Now we are going to make this chain, so we need to take another shuttle, turn your work over, and take thread from another shuttle. Make first tatting double stitch as close to the first ring as you can. Now we need to hide our free end under tatting double stitches. So let's make 2 tatting double stitches and hide this free end. Now we may cut the free end and make now 4 tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3. So we have done 7 tatting double stitches, and now we are going to make decorative picot. And 7 tatting double stitches, actually 6, 1. Now turn your work over, and now we need to make the same trefoil as we have done before. 9 tatting double stitches. Make first tatting double stitch as close to the chain as you can. Now let's make connection to this ring. And make 4 tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decorative picot and 5 tatting double stitches. 1, 5. Okay, now we need to make small connective picot and 5 tatting double stitches. Half of the tatting double stitch and close the ring. Now we need to make ring with seed beads. 5 tatting double stitches. First one as close to the previous ring as you can. Let's make connection. And 3 tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now decorative picot. Tatting double stitch, decorative picot, and 3 tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to place our seed beads here and make another tatting double stitch. 3 tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3. Decorative picot, 1 tatting double stitch, decorative picot, and 3 tatting double stitches. Small connective picot, 5 tatting double stitches, half of the tatting double stitch, and close the ring. Next ring, 5 tatting double stitches, connecting to the previous ring, five tatting double stitches, decorative picot, 4 tatting double stitches, connective picot, and 9 tatting double stitches. Close the ring. And now watch carefully. Now we need to plait 1 seed bead in the bases of these trefoil. So turn your work over and place 1 seed bead here. Now we are just continuing tatting the chain. Make the first tatting double stitch as close to the seed bead as you can, and make 6 tatting double stitches. So you need 7 tatting double stitches before decorative picot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Decorative picot and 7 tatting double stitches. 1, 7. Okay, so now turn your work over and make just the same trefoil. So we have done 3 such trefoils. So turn your work over and make chain just as this one. Now turn your work over and make the last trefoil. After you have done 2 rings, now we need to make a ring that will connect to this one. So place the thread from the second shuttle upon your pattern and start making ring. Five tatting double stitches, make connection, five tatting double stitches, decorative picot, and 4 tatting double stitches. Now pay attention, the thread from the second shuttle should lay upon your lace. Now we're making such a difficult thing. We are placing our rings close together, such way, and connect them. And now in this position we are making 9 tatting double stitches. So 1, close the ring, and now we need to make the last chain. So turn your work over this way and prepare to make a chain. Don't forget to place 1 seed bead in the basis of the trefoil and make 7 tatting double stitches. 7 tatting double stitches, decorative picot, 7 tatting double stitches. Now we just need to connect this chain to the first trefoil. So here we may cut our ends, but leave the thread long enough to make this connection. I'm just making a simple knot to connect this chain to the first trefoil. Here will be enough only 1 knot, so place 1 seed bead with one of the free ends. Like this one. And now let's just make it this way. Now we are going back through this seed bead. We need to take a needle here. So just go back to this seed bead. Oh, not that much easier. Okay. And now we're just making a second knot to fix this bead on its place. Okay, well done. So now we just need to fix our free ends. You may hide it under the stitches if you want, or just cut it and fix with super glue. I will do the variant with super glue. So we will meet again in the second part of this tutorial to make the second row. So bye bye and meet you in the next video.